It's a goddamn shame. We done crashed, we done burned, but baby, you the goddamn blame. See, I wanted love, but you wanted goddamn fame. Every goddamn thing. I wanted a bitch who was on the move, but you wanted goddamn late. Still my problem. Got that one in my bed and she just wanna sleep. Fucking up all of the sheets. She only wake up to eat. Do this shit every week. Like, why you do that? Crying, you wanna be great, but sleeping until the next day. Why you do that? Don't got that much in the bank. We go out, she order to stay. Why you do that? Can't explain it, but just know it working for her. She claiming she don't know her love, but really she don't give a fuck. And I cannot make this easing the pain. I got real shit to stress about, girl, I ain't worried about. Why you do that? Don't got that much in the bank. We go out, she order to stay. Why you do that? Can't explain it, but just know it working for her. She claiming she don't know her love, but really she don't give a fuck. And I cannot make this shit up. Ain't this shit